This is my cat, Teacup. How old is she, Mummy? Is she 2.5? 3.5?
3 in September. And she took him away from me.
She's 2 then?
And when she finished with him, she threw
I just say 2.5 like I said with Kitty.
him.
Tilly is 2.5. She loves food, don't you, Tuck? She loves food. And she loves cuddles. Does she love cuddles? Sometimes she doesn't like being picked up. Oh dear. and she's black and white. And she's my Teacup. Oh yeah, James says, can you have a drink?
You'll have to wait until he's doing this.
She has white boots on.
Yes.
She loves Mommy. And she also loves me.
They're only chicks, Tilly.
Tilly and Kitty sometimes don't like James. He's my brother. That's how much food she has. How many foods does she have every day? 4 cat foods a day.
Because she's a little piglet.
She loves being a cat. She loves lunchtime. What's her favourite things to do? She loves lunchtime, and lunchtime, and lunchtime, and lunchtime. She's my Teacup.
After that, we laid our heads together and dropped down to details. I'll tell you how it went when you arrive in London.
She does have little toy things. Like, she's got a little rabbit. And that's my cat, Teacup. She's mine. She looks when she scratches there, and then she starts lying down. Look at Teacup, you're on cat.